After months of disruption in energy supplies through the Strait of Hormuz and volatility in global markets, the US-Iran peace deal is expected to bring relief for India, particularly on oil prices and pressure on the rupee. However, experts caution that long-term stability of the arrangement remains uncertain. Energy route reopens after MOU. Iran and the United States on Sunday signed a memorandum of understanding during Pakistan and Qatar brokered talks. The agreement, expected to be formalized in Geneva on Friday, includes reopening the Strait of Hormuz and ending the US blockade of Iranian ports. The waterway, which handled nearly half of India's crude imports before tensions escalated in February, is critical for global energy flows. Soon after the announcement, an Indian-linked LNG tanker reportedly transited the strait en route to Gujarat, signaling early easing of restrictions. Prime Minister Narendra Modi welcomed the development, calling for sustained peace and stability in West Asia and unimpeded trade flows. Relief for India, but risks remain. Experts say the deal could ease inflationary pressure in India by stabilizing crude oil and LNG prices while also reducing strain on the rupee. India imports about 50% of its crude oil, 70% of LPG and nearly 90% of LNG from West Asia, making it highly vulnerable to disruptions. Industry leaders including ASSOCHAM called the agreement a major breakthrough, while officials noted that shipping and energy flows may take weeks to normalize. Analysts also warned that fragile US-Iran ties and unresolved sanctions issues could still impact long-term energy security and India's strategic projects like Chabahar Port.